Energy savings expert Matt Minster here with an Energy Pop quiz. True or false? Switching to smart bulbs, plugs, and thermostats can reduce your energy footprint.
Check this out.
That's right, and the savings won't stop there. Smart devices also save you time, so you can dedicate more to things that matter, like fetch with the dog, or finishing that.
Check that shit out.
It'll be an experience your child will always remember. For June, join us in Wentzville, Arnold, Farmington, O'Fallon, Illinois, and more. Register at Cardinals.
You don't see a classic like that on the road very often. I think you smoked a red light too.
I know. Just got the notification.
Great. So far, I'm almost there.
Yes, I know.
Skitter.
Made it. Safe and sound.
I know.
We're
Well,
scooting.
I was with USPS the whole time.
Phoning is,
I know.
texting and scooting is,
USPS
or using a phone while scooting is against the law. Not using a hands-free device while on a motorized vehicle.
Ball to the right of Contreras. He has it, flips to the tall Roy Crop.